Okay, we're going to do a end of the day report for Monday, June 28th. We've got Crescent up on a, must be a 12-foot ladder, pushing our beam into place. Get that in the right place, Crescent. It needs to go a little forward, about a ½ inch. Push it. The beam, push that wood. Okay, perfect. So Crescent is touching the main, it's called a balloon wall beam, that is holding the front wall of our house up. And the other wall that extends beyond that is actually just a first story patio. We've got at least one cross member in here. Pear lamb, 5 1/4, 16-inch, 2.0. Heavy bastard that will hold up a bunch of TGIs. Still have some dirt in here. Of course, I think from the morning report this is all in. Back wall. This is a dining room picture window. Guest room window that will go in. And there is the south wall, and we're back to our beam. These are probably pretty boring videos, not showing exactly how this all happens, but when it's happening, I'm typically busy moving stuff out of the way for the pros to drop the beams and put stuff in place. That is the end of the day report, Monday, June 28th. Take a bow, Crescent.